Today we're talking 10 cheap backpacking gear items that are a must-have for anybody's backpacking gear system. Now these are all items that I personally use myself and would recommend to anybody to take out on a backpacking trip. Item number one is a Tyvek ground sheet. This Tyvek ground sheet is from Luxe Hiking Gear. It's $12 and it's got a ribbon edging on it. It's got stakeout points. It's just a really low cost option that has more of a finished look to it and is going to be a great option. So Luxe Hiking Gear Tyvek ultralight ground sheet. It's 95 grams for this particular ground sheet. Item number two is a long handle titanium spoon. Long handle titanium spoons you can get from pretty much any company: Optimus, Perea Outdoor Products, Tokes, Sea to Summit. So about $10 for this. Yes, there's cheaper alternatives out there, but I think going with something like this is just kind of the easy way to go. Gear item number three is actually three pieces, because for $25 you've got an awesome value for a set of microfiber towels from Wildhorn Outfitters. I really like this setup because the towels are three different sizes. You've got basically almost a beach towel size, and then a little bit smaller than like a normal bath towel, and then about a hand towel size in the smallest size. Now gear item number four is some kind of sit pad. And what I've got to represent here is a DIY sit pad that I made out of some extra Tyvek and some 1/8 inch foam. But you can get a $5 sit pad from lightsmith.com. $5, and it does the same thing as the Thermarest Z seat, which that thing is only like $15 in of itself. But $5 from lightsmith.com, some kind of sit pad to put your ass down on and not get dirty, all of that stuff, to kneel on, to fan a fire, that kind of thing. Really great lightweight option as well. Item number five is Aquamira drops. I'm gonna say $15, $12, something like that. And you've got a 1 ounce weight of just an awesome backup, even a primary water filtration, water purification system that is really easy to use. It doesn't fail. If it freezes, you don't have problems with that. Item number six is going to be two items depending on your preference, but it's some kind of hollow fiber water filter. I've got the HydroBlue VersaFlow. I love this filter. It is yet to fail me. I've not got sick ever using it. It's a fantastic, really low cost. I think $25 for this kit right here, which is 2 water bags, and you've got a hose attachment, you've got the filter, caps. Really cool system. $25 for the HydroBlue. This has a way better flow rate than the Sawyer Mini. And then speaking of Sawyer, another great option for about the $29 price range, $28, is the Sawyer Micro Squeeze. With the Sawyer Micro, the reason I like this is the included bag in it is a 32 ounce bag as opposed to the 16 ounce bag that you get with the Sawyer Mini. Item number seven is a really high quality but budget friendly headlamp. What I've got here is the Black Diamond Iota. You got 160 lumens of output on this, and it's a $40 headlamp, but this thing is killer for its weight. Yes, there are lower cost options out there, but I love the Black Diamond headlamps. Another option could be that Nitecore NU25, but the Black Diamond Iota has yet to fail me, and I would definitely recommend. It's worth the $40 price point in my opinion, and if you want to spend $36, the Nitecore NU25 is a great option as well. Now, item number 8 is one of my absolute favorite pieces of gear over the past year. That is the Knock Outdoors Vecto Water Bag. I've got this, now I have 3 of these. This is my clean water bag from them. That's the reason for the blue. But I've got this 2-liter version, and I've got a 3-liter version as well. And these things are just awesome because you've got this really cool, wide open type of opening at the top to be able to fill it really simple. It's so nice to be able to just open that up and just scoop the water up into the bag. And then your threads here at the bottom are just awesome for when you're using a Smart Water style of water bottle. You can just screw that right on and then you can create some kind of gravity system. You've got the ability to screw your water filter right onto the bag. Knock Vecto, super cool water bag. $17. Item number 9 is a necessity in my opinion for when you're out in the summer months, the Sawyer Picaridin lotion. This right now, I've seen it $9 on Amazon. I've got it as low as $4 on sale. This is a great alternative to DEET, and I enjoy it way more than DEET because it's more effective in my opinion. It doesn't stink the way that DEET does, and it doesn't make a mess of hurting your outdoor fabrics. So $9 for the Sawyer Picaridin. I normally will put this into a smaller bottle and not take this entire bottle with me. Item number 10 is a luxury item, but I think it's a necessity because so many of us are using our cell phones in the backcountry, and that is a battery bank of some kind. Now, I paid about $25 for this one, just an off-brand from Amazon. But I was looking at the Anker Power Core Lite, $25 for about a 10,000 milliamp. And I feel like it's a good thing to carry as a backup to help keep things charged. Even like a headlamp, if for some reason I had to charge my headlamp, I've got the ability to do that. So guys, that is 10 cheap backpacking gear items. If you want to see all of those items, down in the description, I've got links. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for being a part of the channel, being a subscriber. If you're not subscribed, please do. We'd love for you to be a viewer. And as always, have an awesome day.